Arithmetic. From Latin arithmetica, ars, from Greek arithmetike techne, art of numbering. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic is the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of numbers and the basic operations performed on them, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Arithmetic serves as the foundation for higher-level mathematical concepts and is essential for understanding and solving a wide range of real-world problems. Numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are symbols used to represent quantities and values. These are the numbers, in that order, from 0 to 9. 0. The symbol for 0 is the one in red, and below it is the number in words. Down, you see the quantity that symbol, the number 0, represents. The number 0 does not represent any quantity, and therefore I'm not shown anything. 1. The number 1 represents a single quantity, a single element that I've represented here through an apple. So the number 1 corresponds to a single object. 2. Here we have added an apple. The number 2 represents two elements, two apples in this case. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. These are the numbers from 0 to 9. This system of numbers is called the decimal number system, or the base 10 positional numeral system, because it uses 10 digits, from 0 to 9. And its origin derives from the number of fingers in our hands, 10, 5 per hand.